Good morning, African Stars International School learners. I am Miss Taina, your grade 4 English teacher. Welcome to your second English e-learning lesson. For today's topic, we are going to learn about tenses. But before we start with our lesson, let me quickly give you answers to the classwork I gave you in the first lesson. Our classwork was taken from our learner's book on page 28, activity number 8. Below are the answers. May you please check if these answers are the same as yours. If they are, well done. And if they are not, put in more effort. I know you can do it. Alright, tenses. What is a tense? A tense is a form of a verb that shows whether something happened in the past, or whether something is happening now, or if something will happen in the future. Today we are going to learn about 3 types of tenses: simple past tense, simple present tense, and simple future tense. Let's look at simple present tense. This tense describes actions which are currently happening, meaning actions which are happening now, not tomorrow, not yesterday, but now, as in today. We also use it to talk about things we often do, so things that we normally do on a daily basis. When we talk about those things, we use simple present tense. Below are some examples. They go to church on Sundays. Because they go, this shows that something that we usually do, so it's in present tense. I live in Ondangwa. This shows that this sentence is in simple present tense because the person is currently living in Ondangwa. I am 11 years old. It tells you that the person is currently 11 years old. So that is simple present tense. Okay, let's move on to the next tense, which is simple past tense. We use simple past tense to talk about things that are already completed or that are already done, things that happened already. For example, they went to church, meaning they are not yet to go, they are not going now, but they went already, probably yesterday. I live in Ondangwa. No, I lived in Ondangwa. This one tells you that the person lived. So it's in the past. They are not living now in Ondangwa, and they will not be living in Ondangwa in the future, but they lived in Ondangwa before. I was 11 years old last year. This sentence clearly states that the person was 11 years old last year, not this year or the next year, but last year, which is in the past. Let's move on to the next and last tense, which is simple future tense. This tense describes future events or things which are yet to happen. For example, they will go to church. They will go to church. This tells you that people will be going to church in the future, next Sunday. I will live in Ondangwa. This sentence clearly tells you that the person is not living in Ondangwa. They've never lived there, but they will live in Ondangwa next year, next month, tomorrow, anytime in the future. I will be 11 years old next year. So the person will be 11 years old next year, and next year is in the future. Alright, for our classwork. Our classwork for today is taken from our learner's book. On page 7, activity 6, number 5, A to J. Let me read the instruction quickly. Write the sentences using the correct tense in brackets. So these sentences have 3 different tenses in brackets. For example, tomorrow, it, and then sunny. You can say tomorrow it is sunny, or tomorrow it was sunny, or tomorrow it will be sunny. So you have to choose only one appropriate tense for each sentence. Can you please do your activity? Good luck with your activity. You have come to the end of today's lesson. Answers to the classwork will be provided in our next lesson. Remember to keep safe, wash your hands, and avoid crowded places in order to fight COVID-19. Thank you.